Hearty welcome and a very delightful evening to all. Happy Father's Day to all super dads in 3H family. International Yoga Day 2021 will be observed on June 21 this year to highlight the importance of yoga and the pivotal role it plays in rejuvenating our mind and the body, leading to a healthier lifestyle. Yoga not only provides physical and mental relaxation but also develops strength and resilience. Numerous benefits of yoga make it a popular practice for people across the globe, especially in times of a pandemic when mental and physical health is under stress. Yoga is the dance of every cell with the music of every breath that creates inner serenity and harmony. So, whether it is music, whether it is dance, or laughter, any work, if we are happy, if our soul is happy, if we are connected with our soul, it is yoga. So, let's enchant, rock, and discuss on its rhythm at Soul Connect Yoga Fest at 3H Companion Organization with mutual love, praise, raise, and applause. Now, I would like to request Soumya to set the sail further.
A very great evening to one and all present here. I would like to start this evening with our 3H Companion. 3H Companion is an organization that ignites, can, must, and will through workshops and orientation programs in the field of education and life skills management with 3H, head, heart, and hand. 3H believes in human empowerment, civilization, spirituality, ethics, love, prayers, peace, and integrity. It holds workshops, training, counseling, and events in education, corporate, and many other sectors to instill and create the better version of society. 3H holds a mission to groom personal, professional, and spiritual persona, to inculcate self-discipline, righteousness, indomitable spirit with head, heart, and hand, and a vision to create passion with compassion. So I think we should start this auspicious evening with something auspicious. So I would like to invite our Chanchal Bhargav ma'am and all our 3H parents for the traditional lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to call Avika to move this event further.
As we all know, today we are celebrating the 7th International Yoga Day. So let's start with something simple but effective. Come on, let's connect our souls with our body.
Oh.
Thank you, all of you. Let's give a huge round of applause to all of us. Now, I would like to invite my friend Anshika to continue this event.
Great evening, everyone. This is Anshika here. Yoga is the dance of every cell with the music of every breath that creates inner serenity and harmony. So, on this auspicious day, I would like to invite all our super energetic participants and guests to enjoy umbrella dance with our 3H. So, would you all like to join us in this dance? I am sure that you all are going to feel very happy and energetic. So, let's start.
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के इनको से जलवाए आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के इनको से जलवाए आशिया चार दीवारें फिर भी घरों के खिले बादलों के हों पर शाखें हर पल न झरे ना कोई टकराए और मस्ती जाके चले प्यार के सिक्कों से महीने का खर्चा चले दबे दबे होठों पे चढ़ा के हम तारे लगा के चल हम सुन तरारे चुप चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की है सभी थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से जल बनाए आशिया
Applause to all of us.
Manya, may I now invite you to take the journey forward after this beautiful rocking performance by our companions. They have actually refreshed our body, mind and soul. That is 3H. So big round of applause for all 3H stars.
This is Manya Maheshwari here. As we all know that we all are going through a lot in this hard time of pandemic. The most important thing to take care of is our health. for which yoga is the best medicine. So I would like to invite our participants in a group discussion of this International Yoga Day. योग है तो रोग नहीं.
Yog hai, to rog nahi. A wonderful saying. I found it very interesting. Actually, right now, what is happening is everyone is having anxiety and depression nowadays. This is a very hard time going on. We all live a very restricted life under the constant fear of infection risk. It is natural for anyone to develop anxiety. The continuous flow of negative news, the inadequacy of daily resources, everything is adding to this growing anxiety and depression. Being confined at home for such long periods of time is mentally challenging for everyone and every one of us. Many of us are unable to relax our mind during this time, thereby increasing the stress on our minds. But it is very important to keep ourselves mentally fit, and I think yoga will be the best way to do so. Yoga is not only beneficial for our body but also for our mind. It helps to improve blood flow and helps in building mind clarity. For ages, yoga was known to be beneficial for our physical and mental health. It helps us build a strong physical, mental, and spiritual health system. When combined with breathing and meditation, it acts as the best element to take care of our mind, body, and soul. So why wait? Let's introduce this yoga in our daily routine right now and make ourselves mentally and physically fit.
Yes, I totally agree with Soumya. योग है तो रोग नहीं. If we do yoga daily, we'll find free, relaxed, and mental healthy. We should do yoga daily for an hour. If we do yoga, we'll feel energetic and healthy. It will also develop our immune system and it will help us to be away from the diseases. Thank you.
Yes, rightly said. योग है तो रोग नहीं. If we do yoga, no disease can even touch us. We are free of diseases. Yoga helps in building our physical and mental health. It is the best way to keep ourselves healthy.
Yes, I agree with Manya. Yoga is very important because it helps us to be healthy and strong. If we do yoga, it will keep us away from the disease and make our muscle strong. Thank you.
Yes, rightly said. Yoga is very important for us to be fit and healthy. Yoga is a mental, physical, and spiritual practice which helps in attaining a great mind, body, and soul. The word yoga has descended from Sanskrit language which refers to union.
Okay. So, friends, very good evening to one and all. And today, as we all know that teachers have a command over the students, and parents have a command over their children, and a coach have a command over their players, and a boss have a command over the subordinates, and the list is endless. So, by this way, I would like to say that each one of us are having certain commands on each other, but we forget to have command on our own body. So I'm not just talking about the physical or the outer body, but our senses. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sarthak Vaswani, and currently I'm pursuing BTech from Dehradun, and I'm highly honored to be the part of BTech Companion. So, respected teacher and my dearest friends, and each one of you who is participating in this highly enthusiastic and informative section on Yog Hai To Rog Nahi. I would be very much happy to present myself here on this platform. So, yoga was derived from a Sanskrit word called yuj, and the meaning is yog or union. Yoga is an ancient practice that brings together mind and body. Moreover, it is a matter of proud and privilege that the beginning of yoga were developed by Indus Saraswati civilization in northern India over over 500 years ago. The word yoga was first mentioned in the oldest sacred text, the Rig Veda. Following that, yoga is known for its ability to ease the stress and promote the relaxation. In fact, one study demonstrated that the powerful effect of yoga on stress by the following 24 women who perceive themselves as emotionally distressed or depressed. After 3 months of yoga program, the women had significantly lower levels of cholesterol. They also had lower level of stress, anxiety, fatigue, and depression. My dear friends and teacher, in today's scenario of lockdown, our sleeping habits are heavily affected. Until 3 o'clock at night, we are indulged into our phones or laptops for the sake of the work of office or school. I myself am indulging into them. So we are not even able to follow the early to bed and early to rise policy. So here also yogic kriyas plays an important role, as in 2005 a study was done in which 69 elderly people were assigned together to practice yoga and take a herbal preparation or to be a part of the control group. The yoga group fell asleep faster, slept longer, and felt more rested in morning than other groups. Hence, it promotes better sleep also. I hope that you all remember the speech of our Honorable Prime Minister in US that he stated that yoga should be practiced widely across the globe. And today we all are aware that the fact that the United Nations have declared June 21st as International Yoga Day. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, everyone. I'm Kushagra Vedic, MBBS student at LLRM Medical College, Meerut. And it is rightly said that yoga hai to rog nahi. So, yoga is derived from Sanskrit root word yuj, which means to unite or to join. Yoga leads to union of individual consciousness with that of the universal consciousness, indicating a perfect harmony between mind and body, man and nature. The purpose of yoga is to achieve highest potential and experience enduring health and happiness, and to improve the quality of life. Yogic practices stimulate and balance all the systems of the body, resulting in increased mental stability and a greater sense of emotional well-being. In terms of medical sciences, yogic practice stabilizes the nervous system and reduces the heart rate and blood pressure. It reduces the respiratory rates and also improves the gastrointestinal functions. Yoga is the best way and to improve our lifestyle, and this is the best thing to adopt as a habit, especially in this pandemic. It will surely help you to build a strong physical and mental health, which is like very essential these days. It will also help us to stay calm. Asanas has also proved very effective in increasing our oxygen saturation in blood, and we have all came across to this thing that blood saturation is very important in during this corona pandemic too. So I strongly recommend you all to involve yourself in regular yoga and also the asanas to improve your blood saturation level, and also to improve your mental health, which is very essential these days. So I will end my word with this hope that everyone will obviously follow yoga, just not for these few days, but as a habit for complete life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Kushagra. It's very worth hearing from you about yoga. And I totally agree that it is, from Vedic time, it is an Indian culture. And we cannot forget that man, Baba Ramdev, who has introduced and widely spread all through the globe about this yoga. Taking our journey further, I would now like to invite Manya to take this sail further.
Thank you everyone for making this group discussion wonderful. Let's put our hands together for all of them.
Now, if there is anybody who wants to share their views, can unmute themselves and start in our open forum.
Good evening, everyone.
Today I, Adibhagav, am here to tell some facts about yoga. First, yoga is over 5,000 years old. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit language and literally means union. Third, there are more than 100 styles of yoga. Fourth, yoga is one of the oldest physical disciplines in the entire world. Fifth, yoga was introduced to America in the 18th century. Sixth, yoga was originally practiced as a form of healing. Thank you.
Thank you, Adi. That was really informative.
A very great evening to everyone present here. Today, I, Anusha Haq, am here to discuss few points on the topic importance of yoga. Yoga is practiced since ancient India. It is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice. Yoga teaches us the knowledge of how to lead a healthy living. It improves our concentration, creativity, and sharpens our memory. Also, it helps us to improve our muscle strength, stamina, and bring immune and mental stability. The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's mind, body, and soul. It brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps in managing stress and anxiety and keeps us relaxing. It also helps in increasing flexibility, muscle strength, and body tone. But in modern life, people are so much engaged in their work that they're not even having 10 to 20 minutes to sit down and perform any asana. As a result, they lack focus, skill, and vitality. The yoga calms the brain and enhances its vital functioning. That is why it is very important to adopt the practice of yoga in modern times. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kyansha Gupta. I tell about yoga. Yoga is an act that unites the body with the soul. It is the means through which we can attain inner peace. The great relaxing effect that yoga has on our mind has innumerable health benefits. Is originated in ancient India during the Indus Valley civilization and has grown in popularity ever since. Yoga is something that is practiced, not learned. You need to perform certain asana or poses that form the essence of yoga. It is believed that there is a total of 84 asana in yoga, but this number may vary. Many of the asana has been lost from the Vedic sculptures and the poses we know today minute fraction of it. Some asana is easy like Padmasana or lotus pose. Thank you.
Great effort by Priyansha and other students. Is there anybody else from the parent side or any of the other students? Kindly don't take much time.
Ma'am, I am left. Ma'am, I am left.
Kindly speak. You are invited. You are not left. You are invited.
Okay,
Yes, speak please.
Yoga is an ideal exercise for body and mind. June 21 was proposed to be observed as International Yoga Day. On 27 September 2014, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi proposed the idea of International Day of Yoga. Since 2015, International Day of Yoga is celebrated on June 21 every year around the world. There are various yoga postures or asanas that help you to keep your body fit and healthy. In this world fierce competition, yoga helps to reduce stress. 2021 International Yoga Day theme is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. This is global event. It is celebrated in India on the grandest level. So do yoga and stay healthy. Thank
Do we have any other participants, say it from children's side or parents side? Kindly unmute yourself and speak.
Thank you, everyone. I'd like to invite Shaurya Khanna to give the vote of thanks.
This is Shaurya here. First, I would like to thank Almighty for showering His blessing on us. Next, I would like to thank our Chanchal ma'am for giving us this great opportunity. It is only because of that this event had been possible. A great thanks to all my companions and guests for joining us today. At last but not the least, thank you everyone for showing your keen and active participation in this event. Thank you all, stay healthy and fit, and may you have a good time ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.